Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I remain Ogudimu Olumide Olalekan, the founder of Lecosoft Technologies. So quick one, in this video I'm going to be trying to like show you how to how to copy a content from the web and actually make it yours, by paraphrasing it into something that has the same meaning but written in a different format. So, for example, now if I'm a blogger and I believe sometimes you have seen some common news, like for example, now let's talk about the latest news on ASU now. Maybe there's some speech that was given by, let's say, the president of this country apparently. And if you look at all websites, like you go to all news platform, it's still the same thing that they are saying, but it's going to be written in different form so that even the owner of that content would not hold you accountable for copying their content, because they will not even know that you copy their content. Because what I'm going to be showing you this video, and I'm going to teach you how to copy content from the web and make it yours. So whether you're writing an article or a blog or probably even an assignment itself, there's a way you can rewrite it. I remember those days in school that when we write something and maybe they give us an assignment and we submitted it and the lecturer will be like, you copied yourself. You get, I'm not trying to do this to discourage your writing skills, but I'm just saying for those people that are into blog, and this thing I'm going to show you now, even you can even make money with it, you understand, by helping people to write blog content, and you get, just save yourself time, you get. So right now I'm going to be introducing you to an AI where you can actually paraphrase any content from the web and then make it yours. So I'm going to be introducing you to quillbot.com. Just go to quillbot, quillbot.com. So let's see the magic. All right, this is a simple website, but it's actually a bot that can actually help you to paraphrase any content. So for example, now you can go to, let's click on any content online. Maybe let's talk about look at this now. No senator submitted defection letter, Lawan's aid. This is a speech made by someone, or you can even let's search for a latest news. Let's say ASU, something like ASU strike, ASU strike. Yeah, let's just say ASU strike today. Let's just type something that's random. You get, let's search for any content online. Let's say you want to write a blog on it, and okay, let's check this guy here. For example, let's check this guy here, for example, and for example now, let's say for example you have this word and you want to actually paraphrase it. Can you see now? Let me just copy this first line for you to see. This first line says minister. Okay, let me just copy the first line. For example, what's this? I think my network is somehow slow. Okay, let us look at this word, for example. Now this first line here, let's copy the first line here. Yes, sorry, I might what's it called, try to like block the name of this site so that be as if I'm trying to show people how to steal from them. I'm going to block the name of this site that I'm copying this content from now, but I just wanted to see something. So like from this what I highlighted now, Minister of State for Education Goodluck Nana Ope has reassured Nigerians that the federal government was committed to ending the strike by members of the Academic Staff Union of University. Let's say you are a blogger now and you want to write this thing, and it's something that is said by someone. You cannot change it, but you don't have to write it the way they wrote it here. You have to at least rewrite it. So this is what this bot is going to be doing for you now. I just copy it now. I'll go to that quillbot.com and I'm going to paste it there. So this is what I'm going to do now. We go to that website I talked about, quillbot.com, quillbot.com. Then you paste your content. You click on this button, then you paste your content. You get, let's just paste it, Control V. I copied something earlier. Now look at what I copied. Minister of State for Education Goodluck whatever has reassured Nigerians that. Let's see. Let me now click on paraphrase. Let's see how it's going to help us to rewrite it. Can you see something now? Let us check. Okay, it's not done. Oh wow, can you see the magic? Now let us read the difference. Now this one says Minister of State for Education Goodluck Nana Opai has reassured Nigerians. But look at the translated one now. Rewritten one. He said Nigerians have been reassured by Minister of State for Education Goodluck Nana Opai that the federal government is dedicated to ending the strike by academic staff union of university members. Can you see that it is different? This one says Minister of State for Education Goodluck Nana has reassured Nigerians that the federal government was committed to ending the strike. But look at this one says Nigerians have been reassured. Can you see? Nigerians have been reassured by the Minister of State of Education Goodluck Nana Opai that the federal government is dedicated to ending the strike by academic staff union of university. Like, he even wrote it in just 3 lines, and this is a very good one. Then you can just copy this word and then you post it on your own blog, and it will look as if yes, because it's something that is a speech that I was given by someone, and you cannot change what the person actually says, but there's a way you can rewrite it, and this is what this thing has done for you now. So please, with this now, you can easily pick up a freelance job and try to help people to write their blog content, and with this tool, I believe you're going to make some money with it. You understand? But it doesn't stop you from being creative. You understand? I'm just saying there are some cases that you have some news that, like speech that is being given by some known persons or people of high calibers in the country, and that you cannot just you can't give it a different meaning. It has to be the same meaning, but in a different form. You get? So I hope I've been able to give you something that is useful, or that would be useful. And please try to support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. And also, if you don't want to miss my next video, try to click on the bell icon to get notified when I post my new content. And I'm going to be mixing my content with some AI tips. And my next video is going to be based on AI. I'm going to be talking about how you can do some other stuff, and I'm going to be introducing you to some AI tools that you can use. So thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you.